Let me tell you something nobody told me when I had less than $1,000 to my name. It's not that you're bad with money. It's not that you're behind. It's that the game you're playing was designed for someone else. Here's what I mean. When you have less than $1,000, the system does not see potential. It sees risk. Your bank charges you fees because your balance dips too low. Your credit card offers you interest rates that make no sense. And every financial expert tells you to invest when you're still trying to breathe. I'm not going to do that to you. Here's the truth. If you have less than $1,000 right now, your only job in 2026 is not to build wealth. Your only job is to build stability. Because wealth without stability is just stress with a nice label. So here's what I want you to do. Stop worrying about the stock market. Stop watching get-rich-quick videos. Stop comparing yourself to people who started with a completely different set of cards. Instead, do 3 things. 1. Get your monthly outflow below your inflow, even if it's by $20. That gap is your oxygen. 2. Put $100 in a place that's boring, a savings account you don't look at. This isn't an investment, it's a shield. 3. Find one skill that pays you before the month ends, not in a year, in the next 30 days. That's it. Not a 30-step plan, not a course, not a strategy that worked for someone with a completely different life. Because here's what I know for sure. You don't need $1 million to change your life. You need enough stability to think clearly. And when you have that, you become dangerous. 2026 is not the year you catch up to everyone else. It's the year you stop running their race. If this hit different, share it with someone who needed to hear it today. And stay with me, because I'm not here to sell you a dream. I'm here to help you build a floor. Let's work.